Picture this. Flagship-style photos, a silky curved screen, insane battery that laughs at blackouts, and all for a mid-range price in 2026. Is the Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G the ultimate budget king for creators and hustlers? Or just clever marketing? I put it through a full week of real use. Let's break it down honestly. If you're grinding faceless content, shooting reels on the go, editing in CapCut, or just need a reliable daily driver that handles dust, rain, and long data sessions, this phone is made for you. Tecno's Camon series always nails cameras, and the 40 Pro 5G levels up with 5G speeds, AI tricks, and premium build at mid-range money. Today we'll cover design, display, that star camera, performance, battery, and my final verdict. Right out the box, premium feels hit hard. It's super slim at just 7.3 millimeters, lightweight around 179 grams, with a curved AMOLED back that catches light like a dream. Colors include Galaxy Black, Emerald Lake Green, or Sandy Titanium. That wave-textured design looks expensive without screaming for attention. Standout feature: IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance. Spill water, drop it in rain, or survive dust. It handles it. Gorilla Glass protection up front too. In everyday chaos, this durability is a game changer. The screen is fire. 6.78-inch curved AMOLED, Full HD plus resolution, 144Hz refresh rate for buttery scrolling and smooth animations. Brightness peaks high enough to stay visible outdoors. Colors are vibrant, blacks deep, ideal for watching videos, editing shorts, or previewing content. Curved edges give that high-end vibe, but software tuning keeps accidental touches low. If you're coming from an older Tecno or Infinix, this display upgrade feels massive. Powering it: MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, solid mid-range performer on 4nm process. 8GB or 12GB RAM plus extension up to 12GB more and 256GB storage keep multitasking smooth. No major lag in CapCut edits, social apps, or light gaming. Software: Android 15 with iOS 15 fresh out the box, up to 3 major upgrades promised, plus 2 certified long-term smoothness. AI features are everywhere: smart photo edits, voice assistants, battery optimization. Interface is mostly clean, though you'll spot some removable bloat. Here's why most buy the Camon. Cameras deliver. Rear setup: 50 megapixels main Sony LYT700C sensor with OIS, sharp details, natural colors, and strong low-light performance via ultra night mode. 8 megapixels ultrawide for group shots or landscapes. Front: 50 megapixels autofocus selfie cam, insane detail and skin tones for calls or content. Video: up to 4K at 60 FPS with decent stabilization, great for walking shorts or faceless narration clips. Real-world tests: daylight shots